This breakthrough, high-performance anti-aging system with PureScience technology helps defend against free radicals and fine lines for healthy-looking skin. Containing our most powerful technologically advanced trio, Protein Booster Skin Serum, Protein Booster Eye Rescue and DIY Power Peel Multi-Acid Resurfacing Pads, this set addresses fine lines, wrinkles, skin firmness and discoloration at an incredible value. A $138 value. Protein Booster Skin Serum, 2-ounce high-performance formula contains advanced peptides and antioxidants to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, while improving skin texture and clarity. Protein Booster Eye Rescue, 0.5-ounce intensive multi-action eye treatment helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and dark circles, firms the skin and helps reduce puffiness. DIY Power Peel Multi-Acid Resurfacing Pads, 40 pads. A high-potency formula that offers results similar to a professional strength peel with less irritation and downtime. In one easy step, it instantly but gently exfoliates the skin, diminishes fine lines and wrinkles, increases firmness and lightens dark spots. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.